evening, everybody. Bobby, Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, November the 13th, and we are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. It's a one-box break. Randomed up our 44 remaining box and numbers. We got number 23. We did random team sales on your left. Teams, customers, been randomized. We then alphabetized the customer list afterwards. Bunches of everybody's entries together. We gave them a couple minutes to trade, but nobody traded tonight. So here we go. I'm going to double check chat one last time before we do our reveal. Nothing on Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, or Breaker. So here we go, everyone. Alright, guys, I'm not even going to peek myself. Bam! Well, guys, not a bad hit at all there, guys. Very nice helmet for someone. Haven't hit bad tonight at all so far, guys. Bam! Going to be the Justin Herbert Camo Authentic. Got certification on that. Again, has the witness sticker on it. Bam! For the Chargers. Beautiful. Justin Herbert Camo for the Chargers. Well, gonna be a pool boy hit there, bud. Not a bad hit for you. Very nice hit, actually. Kid's looking like the real deal there. Very nice hit for Pool Boy on that one. We're going to do your qualifier here. Pool stepping in, getting Team Z a nice hit right off the bat. Just double checking. Yes, sir. That is Pool. One on the Pool Boys out. This is the qualifier for the Allen, guys. We got a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times. I got Ed and Dog. 61, 62 on the qualifiers. We got 43 boxes left in the series, guys. Tons of big hits still out there for you. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. We start at 8 p.m. Central and go until the room clears out, folks. So stop on by and join us. Y'all have a good one. Bobby, Two Pops Breaks.